In this video, I'm going to show how to see your Spotify Wrapped for 2024. So what you want to do is basically go over to your Spotify app, wherever it may be in your phone. Now, mine here actually has it at the top. It's a brand new section. It just popped up. So you see it at the top of your screen where it says all music, podcasts, so on and so forth here. So we're just going to click Wrapped. And there you have it in your Spotify app. So there's a couple of things just in case you haven't received it. You may want to do a couple things. So what we can do is actually come out of here and we're going to close the app off. And then what you can do is make sure that your app is fully updated. So what we can do here is go over to your app store and type in Spotify like I did here. And then just make sure that your actual Spotify app is updated. And you can choose here to update to the latest version. That might solve the problem. Another solution is to actually go and clear the cache, and you can do that in the settings in your Spotify settings. Or what you can do is actually click and hold your app and remove the app, and then essentially re-download it, re-log in. That way you can see the Wrapped for 2024. That should work for those, just in case that your current version of the app does not have the Wrapped version on it. Either restarting it, re-downloading it, or making sure that it's updated is the way to go. That way you can see your Spotify Wrapped for 2024. I hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next one.